He looks drunk. Cheer Bear looks drunk. He's just like, has his arms out. What? He's leaning and he has his arms out. His hair's a mess, dude. Like, get your life together. Hey, cuties. So today, yes, the title is right. Calm down, stay in your seats. This is right. I am so excited to do this video, and it is not fake. It is not, I was gonna say it's not clickbait. Clearly it's clickbait, but it's real. It's real clickbait. This is real. This is not why I got back in the relationship. I just wanted to show you guys everything. Austin showered me with gifts when we broke up, and I feel like anything I'm gonna say is wrong, but a lot of these were when like we first got back together, but a majority of these were just like left at my door as like, I love you type things. I need to show you guys, and they're also cute things, and you guys love hauls, and I thought this was a funny video to do, and we are back together, not because of the gifts. Well, just kidding. So, if you guys want to see these gifts, they're amazing. They are so, I love them all so much. I'm just gonna go in with the food first because I feel like there was a lot of food, and there was a lot of food that's already been eaten. Like, there was a cheesecake dropped off at my door, which I was like, wow, I should stick in this relationship. I hope you guys know that there's like, I'm joking when I'm saying these things. Obviously, I wouldn't get back with somebody because of gifts or cheesecakes or anything like that. But I just thought like now, all's good now, everything's good now. So now it's like, we can laugh about it and appreciate these gifts. Serious note, side note, if somebody does give you gifts, don't let that sway you and your decisions from being back with somebody. Anyway, I don't think I have to say that. Gifts and stuff like that can sway your judgment, and don't be swayed by that. That's not what he was doing. Certain things like this, he literally was just out and he said some things reminded me of him, so he would just bring them to me or just wanted to make my day. That's like the majority of the things, like I say, were food. And then one of these things he ordered before the breakup and just wanted to give it to me. So it's like, you know, things like that. So let's just get into it. Having said that, so yeah, you guys know all the gist. So shout out to Austin. We all love Austin, and cheesecakes or not, he's a great guy. So even if he didn't give me any cheesecakes, we would still be back together now. So the things that I'm not going to show you guys were a cheesecake. He brought me some sushi one time because I was craving it, and edamame, a spinach and artichoke dip. So things like that obviously can't show you, but I can show you certain things like Cheez-Its. He got me Cheez-Its, are my favorite things of all time. As you guys know, if you follow the vlog channel, I literally love Cheez-Its so much. I recently just found out to put spray cheese on Cheez-Its and eat it, and it's so good. I dunk these in mayo, I put them in my sandwiches, I put these in like Caesar salad crunch wraps before, and they're so good. I love Cheez-Its. They are amazing. I love Cheez-Its. The next thing was a Lindor chocolate bar because I love Lindor so much. It's my favorite. Yum. I love Lindor. It's just like melts in your mouth. It's so creamy. Oh, and he got me these Lindor chocolates too. Like, he's like, buy the whole collection. Why is everything red? Oh my God. He was like, he's feeling the love, man. And then I haven't ate one of these because I literally had this idea to do this haul, and this was one of the last things he got me, and I'm like, I want to do this. So, pot of gold, baby. I'm so excited to eat these. Oh, I was like, oh, one's gone. Yum, I cannot wait to eat these. They smell so good. Showered with gifts. This mask. This was one of the very first things that was like, I just saw it at the store and I thought, oh, it's like so sweet. He was coming by to get like some clothes and stuff, and he was like, I just thought of you. It's nothing big, and it's a unicorn mask. Oh my God, it's so freaking cute. It's by OMG Accessories, and it's a unicorn. I don't know why it has unicorn on it because there's no unicorn here, but this looks so cute. Let's open it up and take a look. He was at Winners and got this for me if you guys care or want to know where he got that. It is adorable. Look, and it's a little, oh, look at that. That's so cute, actually. I love the gradient. It's like pastel. Why is there like an opening here? That's weird. I don't know why. Can you like put
I think because like you can put a, oh sorry, because you can put a filter inside of it, so like it's like filters it, so it's like for them make them out.
Oh.
So like because it's just like a cloth, so like I think so it's just like extra layer, and like they encourage you to put like.
Oh my God, yeah.
Anyway.
Oh yeah, because it's so thin. That makes sense. That makes a lot of sense because I've actually seen those filters before.
Yeah.
That's really cool. I like at the side here that you can tighten it or loosen it. Like that's really good. Love that for me. One of the next things was this sweater right here. Another thing that he was shopping for something that he needed, and then just saw this pink fuzzy sweater, and obviously anyone shopping at Urban Planet would be like, oh, that reminds me of Samantha. I've worn this a ton since, so it's literally dirty and it's in the wash, but it is so cute. But it already started like fraying a bit here. It is so cute and has a little hood, and yes, this is from Urban Planet, size small, and it's freaking adorable, girl. Next things were these. If you guys don't know, I love stuffed animals so much. If you guys remember, a while back in our vlogs, we went to a claw machine and tried to win like stuffed animals and ducks and stuff. And I have a few of these already. So he wanted to win me, as he said, a fat unicorn. I was like, me. He was trying to go for this fat unicorn, and then he ended up getting this. But I love that the reverse is like his little bum there. That's cute. But when he went and got this one that he won, this one was just sitting in there. So we got a pizza as well. And this made my day because I love stuffed animals. And I've been like sleeping with these for like a week straight. Like when I got them a week straight, I was like sleeping with these. I think they're really cute and they're like squishy. And we can just like set them here. And I love stuffed animals, as you guys know. Like, they're so cute to just have there. Okay. Bam. This is one thing that he ordered before the breakup, but it came during the breakup, and he gave this to me, and it is so amazing. He's like, well, it's meant for you and I can't return it, so here you go. This is the cutest little set ever. So it's a 3-piece set. Notice the theme with like the pink fuzzy. These are little shorts here. They look like this. They have drawstrings. I cannot wait to wear these during Vlogmas. You guys are gonna see that. Oh, by the way, we are doing Vlogmas, so yeah, go check that out. Check out the newly reunited couple loving Vlogmas together. And we have this little tank top here. So I could wear these like separately or all together. It's a white little fuzzy tank top. It's really nice and flowy. And then my favorite part of it is this. This is so cute. It's like an overthrow cardigan type thing. And it looks like this has no zippers or no ties or anything. It's just like a throw over top. I'm gonna show you guys this on and fully all together, like in Vlogmas and everything. I probably will take an Instagram picture in this also because it's so cute. So this and this match, and then this just kind of is a different vibe, and I just really like this. It's adorable. I don't know where he got it. I think it was like Amazon or some kind of website like that, or maybe it was like recommended on Instagram or something like that. We said it was so long ago and it finally got here, so it's just so cute. Yes, please. Oh, we're getting into some big things now. Best for last type thing. This was one of the things that was very, very sentimental actually. And I don't know if you guys have seen this recently in vlogs, but this has been put up on my shelf just for now, just to display because it is so beautiful. It is a rose bear, and it says just for you, and it says nice all along here. I have not opened it and I will not open it, but it is beautiful. We were in Edmonton a while back, like it was like, I don't even know, like way earlier this year, like when we first started dating, way long ago. We stayed in the Fantasyland, and when we would walk outside to go anywhere, like early stages of dating, there was pretty much exactly like this rose bear in like one of these gift shops, and I would see it and be like, oh my god, that's so cute, like it's so cute. And he remembered that way later and thought he wanted to get this for me. So he obviously didn't go to Edmonton and get it there, but he ordered it, and it's just beautiful. Has like roses all over it. I really like this. So you guys can see that, and they're not real roses in there, so I'm actually thankful for that, because the one in the shop was real roses that I saw, and this one is fake roses, so it can last literally forever instead of like fading and going and dying. That sounds tragic. This one lasts forever, the other one doesn't last forever. This is one of my favorite things ever that I got. I didn't know this existed, and apparently he did and got this for me. This is limited edition. I cannot wait to display this. Look, I cannot. So I don't know if you guys remembered in the vlogs, I tried a Tim Hortons Barbie donut. Tim Hortons, if you guys don't know what that is, it's a Canadian coffee place that sells donuts, everything now, but it used to just sell like donuts and coffee. Barbie apparently like linked up with them, and then they made a hockey Barbie and a hockey Barbie donut to go along with it. They weren't advertising these, so you kind of just had to know about it or ask about it behind the counter, and he did, and I just think this is so cool. On the back here it says Barbie 64. Look at this. It is so amazing. So I'm gonna display this when I deal with my room where I have all my makeup, jewelry, purses, and everything like that. I'm gonna display this with all my Hello Kitty stuff because I love like Barbie and Hello Kitty, and I love hockey. Take a look at this beautiful girl right here. I just think this is so unique and different, and just something that really represents me. And it's also a really cool collector's item. I don't know if you guys collect Barbie or anything like that, but it's also Barbie's signature. I don't know what that means, but I just think this is really cool, and that's it. And I cannot wait to display this and just keep it forever and always. Okay guys, there is one more thing, and this is the big thing, and the thing that I was like, huh? When I got it, it is absolutely stunning. My mom, when she saw it, she was like, It's this. I wrapped the bow. Obviously I can't wrap bows to make it good again, but it is from Pandora. And this was something he told me. He was at the mall missing me and then remembered that I wanted to put more charms on my Pandora bracelet because I have a Pandora bracelet and I want to put more charms on it because I just recently found it again. And when I was opening this up, when he was saying that to me as I was opening it, I thought it was going to be a charm. This is just so beautiful. I can't. So if you guys can see that there, and then when you open it up, it looks like this. Absolutely stunning. So he got me a whole new one and picked out these charms for it. They just sparkle and shine and they are beautiful. And he knows that I love like rose gold, and that's what he got me. This is what it looks like. Look at it. And I love this chain charm here that goes across. And I can, of course, add new charms to it and outside of it, inside of it. And then this clasp here is just beautiful. It is a little tiny bit too big for me, so we're gonna go get it sized. I don't know when because, you know, COVID restrictions and everything like that. I'm not being like, wait, let's go to the mall. So it's not an urgent thing or anything like that, but this is like absolutely stunning and I cannot wait to wear this. I haven't had a piece of jewelry like this where it's made me like, you know, like actually like gobsmacked in a long time. It's just something I was not expecting at all. Something that I feel like was like not needed. I'm like, why do I need this? And when he looked at me and he was like, because you're beautiful and you deserve something beautiful. And if somebody cares about you and they're thinking of you, that's all, you know, that's it. It shouldn't have to be an occasion to get something for you. And I was like, oh my God, like this is just beautiful, it's stunning. So I cannot wait to add more charms to this one. I don't even know, like what did my life become? Like I love this so much. Everything to me. So let me know what you guys think of this. I am like, what? Just have to go get it sized, so if you guys don't see me wearing it, that's why, because I don't want it to like fall off my wrist. You guys are gonna see the bear up top because I know some people have mentioned it, not a lot of people, but they're like, what is up there? What is that red thing? So now you guys know that, and if I show you guys things on, you know where they are from and everything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This drunk cheer bear is like making me laugh right now. Like he's so cute. In a nutshell, and basically breakups though are hard. All jokes aside, breakups are hard and everyone takes them differently, and if you are dealing with a breakup or something serious in your life, just take it day by day and just follow your heart and don't let anyone persuade you otherwise in any direction, in any which way. But definitely listen to the people close in your life, hear them out, and then if you have people that you trust with your feelings and emotions, definitely do that as well. And just thank you guys for giving Austin the respect and space during that time as well, and me as well. Thank you guys so much for that. I'm glad that we are past that and moved on, but I don't want to like shy away and be like, oh, there was never a breakup, and like throw it under the rug and like act like nothing happened. But now everything is like, everything's really good. Everything is happy, working on things. Sometimes you do need, you know, bumps in the road to make you grow stronger. Everything can't just be roses and peaches. Yum. You do need some learning and growth experiences, and that's just it. But now we can be happy and show you guys like cute things that happen. That's about it. I'm gonna wear this ribbon around my neck. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want. If you don't, then bye. I love you guys, bye.